Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this gathered skirt with asooke. Gathered long skirts with asooke, as you can see in the video. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share my video. On this tutorial, I'll be using 3 yards of Adire material. This is Adire material and I use 3 yards. You can use 2 yards, you can use 2.5, but I used 3 yards for this tutorial. Just measure out your 3 yards. Measure out your 3 yards. The 3 yards you're going to measure, make sure you add for the length. I use the length 40 plus 5 inches. For the length I used length 40 plus 5 inches. I added the 5 inches. The 5 inches is going to be the folding for the band. I'm not going to do a different band. I'm going to fold it. That's why I added extra 5 inches. Now I'm going to get the two ends together and sew it down. Join the two ends together. That's what I'm doing here. Get the two ends and join it together. And after joining the two ends, the two sides together, I'll go ahead and fold the 5 inches. When I fold it, it will now be 2 inches. Then the half inch, I'm going to use it to sew down. This is where I'm going to put my elastic. I'll go ahead and stitch it down. Fold it, and when you fold it down, it becomes 2 inches. I'm going to stitch it down. If you like, you can take it to your ironing table, iron it down so that it will be easier for you to fold. Make sure that what you're folding is 2 inches, and that is what I'm doing now. I didn't want to have a separate band. The band is together with the skirt, so I'll go ahead and fold it. Fold it. As I'm folding now, make sure that what I'm folding is exactly 2 inches. And when I get to the end, I will leave a space. I will leave a space where I will pass the elastic. And this is my elastic, 2 inches elastic. And the length of the elastic I'm taking is length 29. This can go with all sizes. It can go with all sizes. I'll go ahead and measure 29 inches and I will cut it. I'll cut it and I'll go ahead and insert it into the skirt. Using my pin, I'll insert it into the skirt. Take it round the skirt. Keep pushing it inside. Keep pushing it inside. And when I get to the final part, I will bring the two elastic together and I'll stitch it down. I will stitch it down. Go ahead and stitch the two elastic down. And after stitching it down, I'll go ahead and close the opening. I'll go ahead and close the opening. I'll go ahead and close the opening. After closing the opening, and now I'm going to stitch on the elastic. While you're stitching on the elastic, make sure you're pulling it. Go ahead and stitch on the elastic. Make sure you're pulling it while stitching it. you pull and stitch, pull and stitch. And this is what you have. Now you're going to cut your rope. Cut your rope as long as you want. Cut your rope, fold it and turn it to the right side. Now I'll make a snip, just a little hole, just a little cut to pass in the rope into the skirt. And I'll go ahead and pass in the rope round the skirt. And after this is what I have, the rope. And now for the pockets, I'm working with a asooke. And I'm going for the two pockets, I'll measure 8 inches. 8 inches, and I will leave half inch, that is 8.5 inch. I will use to fold the two sides, the two rough edges. I'll go ahead and cut. This is for the pocket for the asooke. Then I will get the cover pocket for the two skirts. Just fold the asooke and cut. This is for the two pockets, and the cover is going to be the same as the pocket. And now I'll go ahead and fold the two sides, the two rough edges, and also fold the two rough edges of the cover pocket. I'll fold the two sides. After folding, I will now go ahead and put the cover pocket. After folding the cover pocket, I'll put it at the back. Then when I sew it, I'll flip it to the right side. See how I'm stitching it. After sewing it, I'll flip it to the right side because the cover pocket is going to be at the right side. This is how it's going to be. And to fix the pocket on your skirt, you have to wear the skirt and fix the pocket where you want it to be. That is what I did here. I wore the skirt and used pin to pin it down on the skirt where I want the pocket to be. And I'll go ahead and stitch it round. I will sew it down, sew the two pockets down. At this point, if you're still watching, please subscribe, like, so that more people can view this video. Stitch the sides down except the upper part where my hand will pass. I won't stitch it down where my hand will pass. And this is what I have. Go ahead and remove the pin for the two pockets, and this is what I have after stitching it down. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Comment, like my video and subscribe. I drop tutorial video every week. Please subscribe, put on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. And this is it, Adire skirt with asooke. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. Until I see you next time, take care of yourself. Bye.